man, lonesome. Up? Yeah, man. Up? Never sleep so good this morning, you know. I'm fiery, you know. The reason why I'm fiery, you have to tell the truth. You see me, I say? I see, you know, some guy play politics all the time and trick a lot of people. And where I say it now work this time. The world gets smaller right now, it's computerized, eh? You understand? Technology make the world smaller. Information depend on the fingertip. Now, where some guy I say, doing the research. See? Prime Minister come make him make a speech them. And when he make him speech, I tell him say it don't even make no sense. So it don't go chew him up. You understand? Out of all of them where you hear a talk, all know, both sides. Only thing the man them go in a Henry Morgan house could do now. A thief, no crime plan, nothing at all. Them, a matter of fact, I know about no crime plan because back in the days, in a man the days, when Andrew come and fling thing to manley, it no make no sense. I'm going to tell you why it no make no sense. If me, I'm going to just break it down for you, Andrew. Because I'm not done with it yet. Somebody said, want some that too short, so I'll come show some little things right now. If me have my brother, Black Life Matters. If me have my brother, how is it? Because we can't blame CIA alone. Saying, me see in the 2016 election, Russia mingling in a US election. And other places, and you see what them go on, you know, mingling a people election, because them know them foolishness there. So nobody not supposed to mingle in a Jamaica election. We see what go on in Venezuela too. And I see this Prime Minister sees Venezuela think them after them give an eye for much one while we use the money. You understand? Me don't know who like him there on the street like a puppet. You understand? And you're supposed to free for talk and do your thing. We no business about no man. Listen, but black and we proud, you know. Black life matters. And it's how we can't shake around the world. Can't be no idiot. Man, they never did that do nothing wrong neither, you know. Because the man just talk. Me and alright, me and my brother. May I show you the big sellout. We not just blame CIA. And some man come and say lonesome. You have to get rid of your brother. My brother, they on the seat to my running business. What me I do? Stuck up to these people and get rid of my brother. I don't know them man, you know. They might use me and say, yo, I put you in the seat to your brother there. I put it on a pedestal there. And then me, I'm going to use me. And use my nephew and my cousin them and other family member to get rid of my brother for please them. And me could go to them and tell them to do for them better that. Me I gonna do that? You can't get me do that. So when you match at them should I shame. Because when you say CIA them use for do this, but they say whatever threat and them shoot him. Who shoot him? Me say Rasta now work with the CIA. Who shoot the man? You see it? Him say I'm pushing the night him have to run for him life. Because you talk the truth. And then they want to blame foreign powers, but remember, the foreign them come with this ship, everything and what have you, them come for squeeze, yes? Because we know them style. And we expose them to the world. And like back in the days, because they used to assassinate a lot of leaders. When they can't go look it up. See? You have great leaders, you have great man who said something, but when a man comes at him foolishness, tell me which plan Andrew Holness come with right now as a Prime Minister, full-term Prime Minister. Because the election must around February or something, very close. See, full-term Prime Minister, tell you one term, full term. What you bring to the table? Nothing. You know what I bring to the table? One thing. It name Zoso. And Zoso, under something for uplift the place, is a crime plan. For please tourists and please the big man them. You understand? It's a crime plan and for Trump or brother, that's why them go Israel and angry people them like poor people like Palestine. And like the richer class and the tourists them are Israeli. You understand? Look how the man them bow down. When you have Europe open up back now and exclude America because America boom a pay virus. When you look, the first thing we take are people from America. There's so much virus there. And remember, we now have the kind of thing them, the equipment and nothing. So if people really get real sick, the thing will get better, you know, just because of tourism money. If we live for a man there and say eat or go eat and self-reliance and build a thing, we never have to depend on the tourists. Because I don't believe in slavery, you know. I don't believe in a man or woman feeling them bed and do what they want to do in them bed and them and them dog and everybody and then when you know people dress up like plate and go spread it for them. Go spread your own bed. Why people people can't join entrepreneurs. Why? Why do I come with Paula Blueling? I said the best thing, so if she gone, so if she have a heart attack, right, no one drop down and dead. That means DPP like down. You see what they must say? No, make them call the whole Jamaican food from everybody up at you and everywhere. Like, una don't, so una know when I do what I wanna eat that. You still wanna extend our time after something. And if he's a clean prime minister, why you don't lock up your friend? Oh man, for dead in my house. Even me that for the argument. Not even a charge. See? When you run for Monday, so. But tell me what? Nothing never alleged. Me never hear something alleged manley. Brother go a country carrying that for 20,000. Money for go do one. Yeah, it's in a police mode. It's a deep thing. It's not enough people mode. Yeah? Me never see. Monday I take man from out of army and put him in a police when he no police work. And it alleged too. By deep down in a police thing. Man from army control the seas. Me don't hear nobody say nothing about it. No. They think we don't hear, man. Anything we go and circle in a police thing, me hear, man. See, now, me know. See? Alright, so we're going to go and compare when I look at facts. Me say, uncle thing you wear around your neck, Andrew. And the zozo like Alcatraz around your neck. And the state of emergency where you're pushing. Because you can't go to me say road. Road is a compulsory government to fix. You have to come in with plans to uplift the place and grow the place. And free up some things. So when I read what man they do, I'm going to look at your tenor where you do. Because you don't do nothing now. You understand? For borrow Chinese money, after we pay so much tax, everybody Chinese money we have to pay back. Poor people can't drive pan it so. Them have vehicle to drive pan something. Pan it. After tourists and the big man them, we have to pay 5,000 round trip. And then you go pan next road, you catch a next highway, you have to pay much more money pan it. Them don't have vehicle much less. Eh? You take people for that. I go play a man there and listen philosophy. If you are cut against people because we are talking about you should have gone across the board for everybody. I mean, never know some man did it go Barnett Street police station. Go tell them say, yo, anything this station can hold, both cemetery can hold it. I can't do with the rest of them. I murder them out. Hey, let me tell you this. When you go study on the history. Because I'm sure I was study them things that I'm Monday. See? When you go study on the history, the man does stand up, you are friend with a country, and there is no way. That means the man never done nothing to the economy. If you mash it up. I will own the opposition at the time, buy into the corruption, and try to assassinate the man. So Farrakhan tell you and they will play a man. Farrakhan, come talk to me. Because you have the play, because you have freedom of thing right now, you know. So we could play Farrakhan first. We could just play a Farrakhan first. You see? And then we go to man. We could play a Farrakhan. We could get down to the nitty-gritty here. Farrakhan, let me hear what you are saying. See? Let me hear what you are saying.
Even down in Jamaica, I'm skipping. They tried in 1976 to organize a military coup to overthrow Michael Manley. In 1976, they supported attempts to assassinate Michael Manley on 3 different occasions. The little man who led Jamaica, who spoke at Savior's Day, was such a threat to our government that they attempted 3 times to assassinate the man in 1976. So later, they found a way to get rid of him through riots in the street over food when they cut off assistance to Jamaica. This is America.
All right. So I'm not chat we are chat. But we're here where man they stand for. I read them. I could just put up some things there where man they deal with. See? Because this is what I'm talking about pay daily. That's what only start about. Jamaica still paying daily for manley. Misadventure. And Jamaica pay daily. 40 years. You come with a bag of foolishness. All right, I could put what man they deal with now, yeah? So, I could see some manly thing. So, I see some manly thing, right? All right, so I could see what man they bring in. I'm going to ask you what you bring in. So, in election 1972, man they defeat unpopular incumbent Prime Minister Hugh Shearer as the People National Party swept to landslide victory with 37 of the 53 seats. He instituted a series of socio-economic reform. How much reform, Andrew, you put in now? How much reform? That produced mixed result, although he was a Jamaican from the elite family. Man, the successful trade union background helped him to maintain a close relationship with the country poor majority. Man, stick to them there. Wow. And he was dynamic, popular leader. Unlike his father, who had a reputation for being formal and business-like, younger man, they move easily among people. Never have this bag of police and all kind of things around him. Never. Of all strata, and made Parliament accessible to people by abolishing the requirement for men to wear jackets. So it defers ties to the sit-ins. Yeah? In the regard, he started a fashion revolution after referring to Curruption suit, type of formal bush jacket suit. My father used to wear it too. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And the Jamaica established a minimum wage for all workers, including domestic workers. In 1974, Manley proposed free education from primary school to university. Enough of them got through. The introduction of university free secondary education was a major step in removing the institutional barriers to private sector and prefer government jobs and require secondary diplomas. So this is where you start though. You start break down the barrier as him come in. The PNP government 1974 also formed the Jamaica movement for advance of literacy, because there was a lot of people who couldn't read and write, so you could not tell them anything. That's a Jamal, which administer adult education program with goals of involving 100,000 adults a year. So much adult couldn't even read and write, and yet still enough of them come through that and go through. Land reform expand under the administration. Historically, land tenure in Jamaica has been rather inadequate. Project land lease introducing 73. No, remember I went 72. I'm going to go through 73 and I come up, Attempt an integrated rural development approach, providing tens of thousands of small farmers with land, technical advice, input such as fertilizers, access to credit. So them could get them credit and things so you grow the place. Right. Not about fight crime and each up on a top one bag of crap. And I say you spend 40 million. You're not doing nothing. Established 14% of idle land was redistributed through this program. Them did idle, much of which has been abandoned during the post-war urban migration purchased by large backside companies. The minimum voting age was lowered to 18 years, while equal pay for a woman was introduced. Wow. Because women never used to get equal pay. Maternity leave was also introduced. And when you introduce Zozo. While the government outlawed the stigma of illegitimacy. This is what I talk about no bastards. The Masters and Servant Act was abolished. The labor, because first time, if you born out of wedlock, you have no talk to your you have not talk connected to your father thing. You understand? He abolished the Masters and Servant Act. Yeah? The Labor Relation and Industrial Dispute Act provide workers and their trade union with enhanced rights. The National Housing Trust was established, providing means for most employed people to own their own homes. Wow. Me ask you what you do, what you talk about? The greatly stimulated housing construction with more than 40,000 houses built between 74 to 80. Subsidized meal, transportation, uniforms for school children for disadvantaged background were introduced, together with free education at primary, secondary, and tertiary level. Special employment program will also launch. Because you have launched together with program designed to combat illiteracy. Increase in pension and poor relief were carried out along with reform for local government taxation. Increase in youth training, because we used to have a youth training thing there. We go learn a skill and do all kind of thing. Expansion of the daycare centers. Upgrading hospitals. A worker preparation program was introduced. Participation program was introduced together with new mental health law and family court. Because you have some man who look both them youth and them thing they have to go. Free health care for all. Access to medical drugs. Spending and education was significantly increased, while the number of doctors and dentists in the country rose. Project Land Lease, agriculture program designed to provide rural labor and smallholders and more land through tendency, which introduced together with National Youth Service Program for high school graduates to teach in schools, vacation training, literacy program, comprehensive rent and price control, protection for workers against unfair dismissal, subside. Look how much thing, this is a 19th century, and the man come in, look how much thing him do. How much thing you do in your term? Basic food items, automatic recognition of union in the workplace. Mandy was the first Jamaican Prime Minister to support Jamaican Republic. See? And it continue. So where you have now, where you have, I'm going to play some Mandy now. Where you have for sure, see there? I'm going to play some Mandy. Because Mandy, when Mandy dead, me go salute the man. Up arena. Me going funeral. Of course. I'm going to salute him. Anybody Lion State? So I go by the Lion State? No, I'm take off. Nobody knows to see why. Because they not try to trick people. You understand? So these are the things when I talk. Alright, the man do that. Let me do something better than that. Because you don't preach 18 and a little way, you know. We want you a man there preach. See? And these are the things that the man do. And the man don't want to bow down to a superpower. I want to say him do this and do that. For not blame the superpower and say, yeah, and blame on the self-take. And start walk and kill one brother. Black life matters. Uno evil. Uno evil. We don't blame CIA alone. No blame Uno too. Because Uno carry out the orders of them. With all the guns and everything coming, they think that them did come and shoot anybody. They think they can go talk about boom boom and could have come tell me shoot my brother, me shoot him. And compare me for shoot and for overthrow who. You can't bring that to me. Me there so, and me tell you, so we move with no key, what kind of arts and thing. No man can say lonesome. Say I see the split and thing, you know. You can't bring nothing to me when illegal. And all right, if I move with that to you, because you this me. You can't bring that to me. But you have some yes man. And then when you don't turn it around, you should have shame. Because the same party, you know, and it run and do this bad man, they get shot through Rasta and not mix up with CIA. You understand? Play this.
My friends, I'm going to wind up now. Winding up now. Let me tell you how wind up now. Socialism has got to be built. We have to build it like a house. It can't be handed down. So who come into socialism for a handout? No.
And that them are going with right now. Be handout. I mean, that's why I'm going to play.
My friends, we're wind up now.
I know I'm going to stop it.
Winding up now. Let me tell you how wind up now.
Talk to them, man.
Socialism has got to be built. We have to build it like a house. It can't be handed down. So who come into socialism for a handout? No.
And that them want the people them do. You go and you feed them, they go and full them in a crowd. And say, poor man fi have house, big house, like where you see there. Always start to defend his big house. Every poor man must strive to build. But you're still a poor man and strive to build for win an election. But you still going to trample the poor man right now. Them don't even have a bank account. Enough man don't even have 10 grand. Use this. And as a poor man fi have in a space and no time, man they poor. In a space and no time, this is what you have. This is how you have. I'm going to play. Go show me man the place and where I have. Let me just listen to the man. Yeah? In a space and no time. Eh?
That song, it have to be built. And it need. Everybody want to work. Everybody must have love. Everybody must have discipline.
Everybody.
We must keep our cities clean. No socialist would ever drop a piece of dirt or litter in the streets, because the socialists would remember the one coming behind. Only people with a capitalistic mentality would ever dirt in the streets, who have love, who have justice, who have concern. Keep your city clean. Make I tell you what the party must do. The party, our party is open to all.
To all. That's why I said all them going to the party right now in a Monday party. There's a Monday gone. A foolishness them too. Because right now the whole of them, everybody have one bag of foolishness right now too.
Our party must be first in discipline. Our party must be first in work.
Listen.
Our party must be first in sacrifice. Our party must be first in study. You must study.
Yeah.
If you are a socialist, you must study. You must study. That's why we start all the great programs, literacy, so that we can bring knowledge. True knowledge is power.
Talk again. I thought them I want to know have. Them I want no man have knowledge. One of them come chat them bag of crap. We never work with you know. I want to take people for.
You must read. I have a book called Manley and the New Jamaican. You should find a way to read it. My own little book I write for you is you are writing for. Politics of change is you are writing for. To give you wisdom and understanding. Read it. Make group bite and somebody read it. I don't want to discuss it because you must be first in study. Knowledge is power.
Imran, this is from the 70s. Imran, they know why you have knowledge. They want to come tell you things. That's why I say when you look up things and Google it yourself. Stop make man a thing blame this when them a rob and a move and a rob and a build and a do all kind of things and about them a God. What kind of God? Eh?
The last word is for the role of leadership.
Listen, leadership.
First of all, the leadership of socialism must walk in humility.
You can't walk in a humility. You can? I'm going to listen.
Humility must be humble.
Yeah.
Must be humble.
Yeah.
Must always be humble. There is no place for arrogance in the party that I lead.
Yeah.
And anybody that is arrogant over the people must get out of leadership.
If you're arrogant over the people, leave. And that's what I do right now. That's what happen right now. And we see both ways. When you can't come now, and one thing when you go in at that, I meant thing, when you come with any, when you not come with nothing on the table. Like you come and say, okay, put this, put that, and make a build a country. When you not, what kind of plan you have? You know, no. One thing when Alcatraz run in as also. When I beat up people, I do all kind of people and lock them up in a Nazi camp. We don't realize the foolishness in that. Eh? You understand?
The only one that is fit to lead is the one that walks hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, equal with the people, loving with the people. That's why I don't want no big flashy motor car.
We buy that. Lonesome, we buy that. You saw no? Oh no. Listen.
I want no big flashy motor car.
Yeah.
I don't want nobody in my party go with flashy clothes.
That is
I dress simple. And I drive in a simple little car. And Ben driving a simple little car.
Okay.
Because we must walk with the people. The day we think we're bigger than the people, we have no business to lead. Socialism walk.
One more I want to hear about that. And you come a heads up with the man. And I said, you used to live. Come in when? Me go and funeral. Uncle General that me rate. That come and rate Marcus Garvey. See? Because you have international mind, you have people with international mind. Do good for your country. And Uno play a part. Uno play the biggest part because Uno come and train up the youth them to attack them own brother and sister in our country. Like what them are doing in Venezuela. So even when them say CIA and like that, they might have do the funding and do what they might do. But who come and trap the thing? Uno same one. Uno should have shame. And then I compare about man they do this, man they not do this. I wanna do it. Uno come for overthrow. Uno come for help mash up the thing. Just so they get power. A man say, okay, I'm gonna put you there in power. Tell me do anything and destroy them. Oh, me for trust you now. Can't trust you now. Not criminal.
Just in humility with the people. If you're a socialist, you must have love and concern.
Of course.
And if you're a leader, you must stay close to the people.
Yeah.
I said to the leaders of socialism, stay close to the people.
Yeah.
When the people are worried and unhappy, don't run away from them. Stay close like a shepherd.
When you hear that, tell me something now. When Manley in a power, if they take Bevan Turner in an MP, they get seat and anything there. You know, so Jamaica run now. Man, I put in them son, them wife, and everybody now kind of thing. Nothing now run. A criminal them. Me not chat to them, me not see them, me not want to know them. You understand? Because the philosophy we grew up on. Yeah, that's why I say Black Lives Matters. Saying, we don't want slave work for nobody. We want to have our own thing, and we want to build a nation. We don't depend on that no more. You understand? And them suffer the poor, and they want to come give your hand to mouth and then chat. And through your love party, you run up and down. And remember tell you this, they're the worst man you ever seen. Tell me, I tell you that, you know.
Give them love. Give them care. That is socialism. The leader in socialism must know so that he can explain. He must understand so that he can lead.
Yeah.
He must inspire by example.
By example.
And above all,
example, me not like see how you and you run around people money gone and then you 500 million barrel of oil, value over $5 billion, we not hear about it. When you hear some things, you hear DPP say, well, them go film them, never tell me nothing at all. But you wanna keep around cronyism and nepotism. What wanna do for Jamaica? Both sides, what wanna do? What kind of program I'm gonna come with for uplift Jamaica over the years when I run up and down? Both sides. From Mandigan, I not see nobody. Me not so no. Because we not put in nothing in the equal pay for woman and man, maternity leave, you have to get your pay, you know, no bastard no there again, this and that, put in the family code for woman, so you help to rise them, because them not treat them like underdog, make them learn to read and write too, with Jamal, make the house come in with the housing trust and pushing something, only there for this, wanna come with it. Oh, I borrow money from China for fix road, but we have to pay back. And we can't drive panic, but we have to pay it back. And that's a sin, you know. We can, alright, the poorest set of man, them can't drive if you buy a bunny tax. The poorest set of man, them can't drive panic. Them not have the money for to drive up and down panic. But they have to pay back. Taxpayers have to pay it back. Pay everything on do. Yeah? People will stop taking a trick on the folly tricks. You shouldn't go call man the name in a year mouth. You understand? Yeah, man. That is can. So right now we are going to dub you by your name, Kanjo. Holness. Ness of corruption. And your surname of corruption. Ness, Holness, and your middle name now. Holness, you know, Ness, I burn Ness. Of corruption, and your last name.
He must have integrity. Integrity.
No integrity.
Integrity.
No.
Only honesty can lead the people in socialism.
And them are not honest. Them not honest. Because as a prime minister, see the man him dead. Tell me, go show me in big house like this in a space of no time, like you're a prime minister for a couple of months and when you look now, big house drop. See the house here. See the house here. I'm going to finish that. See the house here. No joke, see the house there. Look at the house. Do that. The thing alone could have been look at the house here, man. Eh? Man, they never dead rich. Nah, nothing. Eh? You see me I say, and they different it and say poor people if you have things, but yesterday I shut down every poor people right now. Them can't get money to Western Union and nothing at all. We don't mash up the money, we don't divide up the place, and then still at that foolishness. You understand? A man come and tell about Jamaica, go Jamaica not growing with what? Eh? You feel like when I wipe right now, when they set up the people, then fill up the place with Corona. Because you know, when I take one bag of people from America now about tourists. Them worker they will not put in a danger. Walk to them worker they will have them kids a yard. And them husband and more family member. So if them father for go spread them bed and do all kind of thing and Corona lock them, what happen to the people them? Eh? Because you don't want please them there. We never have to do that. We could have feed ourselves. Cuba locked down them place. Cuba must have 78 dead. 2,000 coronavirus kit, and them they try up now. I must have one dead since week one. All right, now everything nice. Cause them locked down and clean and nice. Them ear and everything good.